Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Kaz over at Flair Auto Group. Here we got a 2019 Ford F-150 Super Crew. This one's the XLT package. Just wanted to do a quick video walk around. Man, this is such a pretty color, y'all. Now, this is essentially a work truck, but I gotta say, this is the best looking work truck I've seen in a while. First of all, it is extremely clean. It also has the FX4 package, which tunes up your suspension, ready for off-road. Dirt road, gravel, back roads, it's going to be nothing for this. You also get a full-size truck, basically 5 passengers. It has an EcoBoost motor, so it's very capable. You can also tow with this. I know in different configurations the tow number is a little bit different. I don't know this one off the top of my head, but if you guys had any questions about it, just call me, and if I don't have the answer, I can get that figured out for you. A super clean spray-in bed liner. The outside body is phenomenal, guys. Just no wear and tear essentially on this. With a green title, plenty of maintenance records available on the website. As far as the Carfax goes, you guys be sure to get that for free on our website. Now let's see, let's go towards the interior. You get tinted windows. As far as the interior goes, very simple, very spacious. You get up to 5 passengers. You have power outlets in the back with air vents for comforts of the passengers. And here's a quick peek towards the front of the cabin. Very nice. You can also fold these up. You can sleep back there if you really wanted to. Very nice. Heated exterior mirrors, an option on this vehicle, especially with the colder weather coming up. It can definitely be very useful. And let's do a quick startup with 94,000 miles on this F-150. By the way, this one does have a 4-wheel drive system as well. Navigation, backup camera as well with this truck. And that is pretty much the gist of it. Folks, I hope you enjoyed it, and we hope to see you guys in person. Bye-bye.